It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 26th of August. This is James Spann. Temperatures will stay below average across Alabama for the next 5 to 7 days. Always a good thing at the end of August. And we'll probably see some rain around toward the end of the week and just maybe a few sprinkles today. Here's the upper air look. And again, it's a high amplitude pattern. We have a big ridge in the west, a downstream trough in the east. And the trough will be responsible for the below average temperatures. We'll check the radar this morning. That's the radar composite across the deep south right before sunrise. And we've got a few sprinkles over North Mississippi, a little light rain over Arkansas, and that little feature could squeeze out a few raindrops over North Alabama this morning, but probably not many. Most of the state will stay dry today. Feels pretty good this morning. We've got some low 60s on the map. Places like Anniston, Alexander City at 61. The same for Clanton. We've got 62 at Troy, 63 at Eufaula and Greenville. A little touch of fall in the air. And tomorrow morning should be cooler. Many spots will likely be in the mid to upper 50s. Bring it on. We'll check the watch warning map around the nation. Got a few flash flood watches out west. Otherwise, things are pretty quiet. No organized severe storms expected across the country today, tomorrow, or Thursday. Nice, calm weather. We'll check rain for the next 7 days, and the numbers have come up a little bit here. This might be a little aggressive. Rain amounts showing up here, and this is the WPC forecast, showing really 1 to 2 inches for much of the state, lighter amounts for the Tennessee Valley. And we should see some rain at the end of the week on Friday, and weekend showers mainly for the southern half of the state, but really no evidence of any big rainy day anytime soon. And look at this. I mean, the tropics are just dead here in late August. And typically in late August, somewhere there's a major hurricane. This is the peak of the hurricane season. And there's only one little feature to show, and that is a weak, fizzling tropical storm over the North Atlantic, Fernand. The Gulf, the Caribbean, main development region, just nothing. There's the 7-day outlook, nothing except for that one tropical storm, and that will be dissipating by late tonight or tomorrow morning. So no tropical storms or hurricanes anytime soon for the Gulf. But keep in mind, the season does run through the end of November. Got a ways to go. Here we go, model fans, GFS. This is the 06C run, 4 o'clock today. There's that big trough over the east. And again, the sky cloudy at times today. And could there be a few sprinkles this morning? That's possible. This is the high-resolution HER valid at noon today, showing nothing more than a couple of sprinkles, and that's it. Most of the state dry. Highs low to mid-80s in most spots. So this is tomorrow. It's going to be a sunny day, low humidity. Obviously, nothing in terms of rain. And it will feel good tomorrow morning. These are temperatures right around daybreak. And you can see 50s for about the northern third of the state, from Birmingham north. 60s mainly for South Alabama. This is Thursday. We think much of the state will be dry on Thursday. The next short wave producing some rain west of the state. And then Friday, the GFS is suggesting the better chance of showers with that feature will be over the southern counties of the state. However, we note the reliable European model is a bit more aggressive with a chance of showers statewide. And understand on Friday, the air will be relatively dry, so rain should not be that heavy, but we'll lean toward a pretty decent chance of some rain on Friday, but certainly not raining all day and not necessarily raining everywhere. And highs only in the low 80s in most spots because of clouds and showers. So what about the weekend? This is Saturday, and the GFS is suggesting there might be a few showers over South Alabama, and the same thing on Sunday. So we'll mention some risk of showers over the weekend, the better chance over the southern half of the state, highs low to mid-80s. Pretty much the same thing on Monday. We'll mention the chance of showers statewide, the better coverage down to the south over South Alabama. And a week from today, Tuesday, the 2nd of September, still got a northwest flow aloft, and again, that looks relatively quiet. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, September 4th. The main ridge off to the west, a weak zonal flow here, a front north of the state. But again, things look mostly dry. So this is rain for the next 15 days. This is coming off the European global model. And as always on this chart, we're looking for that green line. That's the mean of the ensemble members. And it's up in the 2 to 3 inch range between now and the 9th of September. Temperatures are looking good. We can be absolutely baking here with scorching heat in the end of August and early September, but not this year. Again, what's missing on the chart there? 90s. You don't see them. And again, look at the upper 50s tomorrow morning. And next week we'll be in the mid-80s, but hey, that's still below average for early September. And the latest long-range guidance just in. This is for September 2nd through September 8th. And most of the state in blue, meaning temperatures a little below average. Woo boy, how about this haboob dust storm, Phoenix, yesterday? That's pretty impressive, and these were videos sent to me from individuals that follow me there or have friends and relatives there, and that's what it looked like. And, of course, they're in the monsoon season out in the southwest, and occasionally you'll get these thunderstorms that kick up in the gust front. The outflow can kick up a lot of dust, and sometimes it becomes very organized like that, and that was the case yesterday in the Phoenix metropolitan area. And it's not fun driving in those things. I have never been in one, but I've seen a lot of folks, talked to folks that have and seen a lot of videos, and that was pretty nasty last night. So we can be thankful our sky looked like that. I was taken at Auburn, got Jordan-Hare Stadium there, and, you know, college football begins this week. Auburn, or UAB actually plays Thursday night at Protective Stadium downtown. And I think that weather's going to be fine for that ball game. Auburn is out in Waco, Texas. They'll play Baylor Friday night. And there might be a few showers around, probably not many. Then Alabama plays on Saturday at Tallahassee. And there is a very real chance there could be a passing shower or storm during that game in Tallahassee on Saturday afternoon. So lightning delay is certainly on the table for that. But again, gorgeous. Panama City Beach last night, looking good. The sun angle beginning to change now as we get closer to fall. We've got meteorological fall that begins here in about a week. And then, of course, in terms of astronomy, that'll be around the 21st of September. So today I will be speaking to the Birmingham Kiwanis Club at the Harbert Center downtown Birmingham. Always looking forward to that. Tomorrow, Lipscomb Elementary School out in the western part of the Birmingham Metro. Then I'll be doing a safety program out at the BJCC. Thursday, going to be down around Wetumpka, Elmore County. Going to speak at Edgewood Academy for a weather program there. And then I'll be in Autauga County Thursday evening for a function at Central Alabama Community College in Prattville. And then Friday, got some homeschoolers in Anniston. So looking forward to that. And again, a reminder, you can always watch me on ABC 3340 News this evening. And you can hear me on great radio stations around the state, including in Birmingham, Classic Rock 106.9. Thanks for watching. Have a marvelous Tuesday, and God bless.